I was recently at a company, and I was doing training for the planners and schedulers. And it was a surprise to me when I got there. I started talking to those planner schedulers, and I asked the question. I said, when did you ever have training? They said, Jeff, we never have had training with regard to planners or schedulers. And well, how do you know what the expectation is? How do you know what the job is supposed to be? They said, we don't. And I said, how long have you been in the role? They said, 7 years. Can you imagine 7 years being in a role, not truly understanding what management's expectation was for you? And realize, too, we go into so many organizations where planning and scheduling is not very effective. You want to tell you how to overcome that? You start with education. And the education piece, you want to involve the shift managers and the supervisors and other people. It's not just the planner schedulers. So ideally, you want to bring this on site. Our planning and scheduling course is 3 days in length. It's available to you on site or as a public venue somewhere across the country. Think about how you might just get not yourself there, but how you might get a supervisor, an operations manager, or even a plant manager so they understand the concepts. And realize there's lots of things that can keep planning and scheduling that actually cause planning and scheduling to fail. And as part of that, that's why it's so important that you get these other guys there. In the planning and scheduling class, what we talk about are basically concepts of planning and scheduling. How is it that you plan? What's the role of the planner scheduler? What's the role of the supervisor? I'll share with you, you think about this, the role of the supervisor is tactical this week, today. They're responsible for making sure everything goes well today, this week. The planner is responsible for making sure that everything goes well next week and beyond. So the planner is strategic in nature, focused on the future. And there's lots of concepts we teach in the planning and scheduling class, such as, not attending the daily production meetings and doing all the other things that might distract the planner. The ability to create job plans, why we create job plans, and how we deal with the materials management focus, the whole work execution cycle. In addition to that, we also talk about the feedback loop. And so how is it that you improve the job plan, that you make it better? So again, consider education first in the planning and scheduling role. Consider your peers as part of the attendees for the class, and to your success. Thank you.